Trust me, that food wars are apple cake. This is my destiny. Alright guys.
Very nice job, you're good. So guys, what do you do when you have so many apples? So many apples. They're just falling down. Make some apple cake. You want to bake with me? Let's pluck some. Okay. I am going to look for big ones like those ones. And some of them are getting bad. This is going to be very good. Oh, well, for some crumble. I want for you.
We have one of a kind apple tree. We call it the pink apples because most of them, they are pink inside.
Sweet and delicious.
Okay, the fourth bag.
Can't afford to let you in. But we're bad. So what's the harm in
We have mixed our flour.
take off your halo?
Both healthy and unhealthy. Because I now.
Don't care if it tears me apart. We couldn't let go.
Little by little. We don't have the powder, so we use this. How many spoons are we supposed to do? One and a half. Okay.
Am I bad? Say the things you shouldn't be saying. I don't want you to act like you still have that halo. Halo, got the halo. Like you still have that halo. Halo, you should let it go. Don't stop. I love it when you touch my skin.
Better.
No, it's bad. I don't care if the walls are caving in right now. I need you to kill off my lonely nights. Otherwise, I'll just be dead inside. I can't keep pretending you don't exist. Hate the lies, you know I can't resist. Yeah. Baby, I don't mind you calling. I'm still awake in my bed. Say the things you shouldn't be saying. I don't want you to act like you still have that halo.
Come. You guys have to add a little bit of
No.
yeah.
I didn't assume. That food wars are apple cake.
Need cannelle.
This is my destiny. All right,
You did a
guys.
very nice job. You're good.
This is my decoration skills.
Ooh.
Oh, I fear I ate. I fear I ate.
You ate.
I ate.
ate it. It's giving.
Okay, let's put it in. Basis. Whoa. Look at that. Crispy. C'est crispy. Whoa.
Looks nice. The cake is not in the center. It's okay.
Apple cake. Okay.
Nina cannot wait. Normally it should be cool, but not in this house. Wow. Looks good.
Shall I taste this?
Yeah. Look at this.
Cheers, guys. Oh my god.
And remember to follow, guys.